Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Erlangga, and I'm from Bandung. Mm, could you tell your name, please?
Okay, my name is Siti Primalika. I'm from Bandung.
Hi, Siti.
Hi.
I wanna interview to you, and can we move to the first question?
Okay, go ahead.
The first question is, what makes the difference between boarding school and regular school?
Difference between boarding school and regular school. Uh, Maybe boarding school lot have more rules than regular school, and the teachers is not only available on the study hours, but in the night time, and of course tracking their time. I mean controlling when every time when after they wake up and before they sleep, the teachers has their hands around them. But in regular school you can be more free, but also you have to make yourself as a good student in school, in time, in study hours.
Ah,
Yeah.
so how do you long in boarding school?
How how could you repeat the question?
How long do you?
Oh, just 3 months.
Yeah, 3 months.
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah. Why? Do you have a problem with that?
No, but I think you're graduated from boarding school.
What? Is my face like a santry? Thank you.
No, no. Your face like Ustazah.
Okay, thank you. I'll take that as a compliment. Okay, so can we move to the next question?
Okay, let's move to the next question. The second question is, how do you balance between religious and general studies?
Mm, Maybe if you take religion study in nighttime and at madrasah, but in general study you can take that in a daytime. At a regular school, you've been there, like campus or high school, middle school, something like that.
Ah,
Yeah,
I see.
yeah, okay.
That's so nice. I
Hey,
like it
thank
and I
you.
like you. Okay, the third question is, what was the biggest difficulty at the boarding school?
The biggest difficulty. Oh, I had this experience when I was sick at boarding school, and no one gave no one
Sorry,
giving
can you repeat?
attention. What?
May you repeat?
Yeah, I had this experience when I was in the middle in boarding school, and at that time I was sick, and no one's giving their attention to me, and it feels really different because at home I'm being pampered by ever every time I had a fever, my mom will help me, and yeah, it's totally different when I'm in boarding school. Like people are ignoring me even when I'm sick, and we should have still do the nighttime.
So sick is the biggest difficulty for you?
Yes, and
Okay, okay. Adapt.
adapting.
How?
How what?
How?
How how what?
Yeah, adapt.
Yeah, I failed, and I can't answer that question. I failed to adapt in boarding school. That's because it's just take
Okay,
3 months.
okay. Move to the last question.
Okay.
Uh, the fourth question, last but not least, is life at boarding school for your life now?
Yes.
Why?
Why? Because I became more quiet.
Sorry?
I became more calm. Maybe you can believe me, but at elementary school, I I like screaming and talk in a loud notes. I mean, like I can talk in a low tone in elementary, but when I got to the boarding school, I feel like more polite to another people and have respect like that.
So when you when you in elementary school, you impolite.
Yeah, I was a naughty kid.
But I'm not see now. You're not naughty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay. Hmm?
it's that last.
Sorry?
So we're done.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's all.
Okay.
So thank you very much for the awesome interview.
Awesome.
Yeah. See you in the next interview.
Okay,
Thank you very much, Siti.
you're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam.
wabarakatuh. Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Erlangga, and I'm from Bandung. Could you tell your name, please?
Yes, my name is Muhammad Zulkifli Aljaid and I'm from Garut. You can call me Jay.
Okay, hi Jai.
Hi.
How are you today?
Tonight, I'm really fine. Thank you. How about you?
Sorry. Okay, I'm good, thank you. Okay, here I'm gonna interview to you. Can we move to the question?
Of course. Yes.
Okay, let's start. Let's move to the first question. The first question is, what makes the difference between boarding school and regular school?
I think the main difference is that boarding school students live on campus, while regular school students return home after class. Boarding schools provide a more structured daily routine, including study sessions, extracurricular activities, and personal development programs in contrast. Regular school offer more flexibility since students live with their families and have more control over their outside of school.
Okay, let's move to the second question. The second question is, how do you balance between religious and general studies?
Mm, In many boarding schools, religions and general studies are integrated into a well-structured schedule. Students usually have designated times for both, ensuring that neither aspect is neglected. Time management and discipline play a key role in maintaining this balance, as students need to meet academic expectations while also fulfilling religious commitments, I think.
Okay, we should have a time management, right? And
Right.
yeah, okay, okay, okay. Let's move to the next question. The third question is, what was the biggest difficulty at the boarding school?
So actually, I'm never be in boarding school. I have my study in just regular school actually, but it's similar
Sorry,
with
sorry.
I didn't go to boarding school. I have studies in regular school,
Ah,
but
oh,
it's nothing different with me now in dormitory. So I think one of the biggest challenges for students in boarding school is adjusting to life away from home. Being separate from family can be difficult, especially at first. But additionally, students must learn to manage their time and responsibilities independently. The structured environment can be demanding, but it also helps build really resilience and discipline.
okay. If in the other interview, their answer is sick is the biggest difficult and adapt.
Yes, of
There
course.
are the biggest difficult for, yeah, okay. So let's move to the last question. Last but not least is life at the boarding school very influential for your life now?
I think it it's gonna be is yeah yes, boarding school can have a significant impact on students' lives. It fosters independence, self-discipline, and strong social skills. Many students develop lifelong friendships and valuable life lessons from their experiences. The ability to adapt to a structured environment and take responsibility for daily tasks can be beneficial for future academic and professional success.
Okay. So, uh, life at boarding school so gave you impactful for your life now, yeah?
Yeah, for many students, I guess.
Okay, okay. I think enough. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you very much for being interview with me, Jai.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you, Jai.
Yeah, see you, Kai.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Erlangga, and I'm from Bandung. And could you tell your name, please?
Okay, my name is Indri Febrianti. You can call me Indri. I'm from Garut.
Hi, Indri.
Hi.
Okay. Can we move to the question?
Yes. Of course.
Okay, here I wanna interview to you, and let's move to the first question. The first
Okay.
question is, what makes the difference between boarding school and regular school?
Okay. Between boarding school and regular school, it is the difference maybe from school system, and also the lesson learning are definitely different. Maybe if in boarding school, there will be many additional lesson about religions, and also activity between two. The difference maybe if boarding school began from wake up until to the going to the bed. If education, regular school maybe begin in the morning until 3, 4, or 5 p.m. And also this situation between boarding school and regular school, the difference because if in boarding school the area between male and female, the difference.
Yeah. I see. And let's move to the next question. The second question is, how do you balance religious and general studies?
Okay, for me, I must to have to make both, uh, of them between religion and general education equally important, so that I will be able to divide it between them in the same times for study, and also uh, I have to apply them in daily activity. And for me, because religions are important for afterlife, and also good general education, it is important for now in the world.
Okay. Okay, the third question is, what was the biggest difficulty at the boarding school?
Sorry, can you repeat?
What was the biggest difficulty at the boarding school?
The biggest?
Biggest difficulty.
Okay. For me, in adapting,
Adapting.
yes,
How?
because we will found many new things, and also in technology. As we know, if before maybe we were phone every day, but in boarding school, uh, not at all. And then um beside that, in activity, because um, in activity maybe because if in boarding school there are very much activity and strict rules, but before in the home maybe or regular school we cannot found that.
Uh, okay, so how, if in the other interview, the answer is the biggest difficulty is sick. So is that
Sick?
sick? Yeah, sick. Is that the biggest difficulty for you?
I think no, because in the boarding school,
No.
they are hospital, maybe clinic.
Ah, yeah.
I think
I think
six not is the biggest challenge, the biggest difficulty in the boarding school. But for me, maybe six is one of the reason how we can back to the home, not to be
yeah.
difficult
Yeah, I see.
like that. If based
That
my
yeah,
my experience is
yeah. So you just make the sick for the reason to back home.
yes,
Yeah.
because I think sick is one problem. So the boarding school will make clinic to the student.
Yeah. So the biggest difficulty for you is activity, right?
Mm.
Okay. Good. So let's move to the last question. Last
Okay.
but not least, the fourth question is life at the boarding school very influential for your life now?
Of course. Mm, because in Islamic boarding school, we not just study about lesson, but about uh, daily life. So we have very much experiences uh, that we can to wear in daily life now.
Yeah. So, so for you, life at the boarding school is so very influential, yeah,
Of
for your
course,
life now. Okay. Is there anything else?
nothing.
No? Okay. I think enough. That's it. The interview. And we can close the interview, right?
Okay.
Okay, I think that's all. Thank you very much for the interview, Indri. Thank you very much and see you later.
Okay, see you.
Bye bye. Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Erlangga and I'm from Bandung. Could you tell your name, please?
My name is Jiran Anismata, and I come from Tangerang.
Hello, Jiran.
Hello.
Okay, here we gonna interview to you about boarding school. Can we move to the question?
Can your your volume make
Oh,
a
sorry.
big sound?
Okay, I repeat. Can we move to the question?
Yes, please.
Okay, let's move to the first question. The first question is, what makes the difference between boarding school and regular school?
Okay. I think this is for my opinion. Yes.
Yeah,
And
sure.
the regular school and boarding school is the different. Yes, the different.
Yeah.
The difference is if boarding school, the education is 20 24 hour. You the mostly every day, a long day, you learn about anything in the boarding school. But in regular school, uh the school only just until 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. That is regular school. But um because I'm uh what graduate from boarding school, I feeling about it.
Uh, so there is other activity after class, right?
Yes.
I see, I see. Okay, let's move to the next question. The second question is, how do you balance between religious and general studies?
Mm. uh for balance between what religious and regular school,
Yeah.
that is maybe like you like boarding school, Gontor boarding school, you know that.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that is Gontor uh include about him, about them, because in Gontor that all of them are the education is regular and Islamic. That is Gontor. So we are now about Gontor. The boarding school is so what is so good, and the graduated is so far so good.
So, how do you balance like the rules or
Draw for boarding school.
yeah, it's like there is a religious lesson and general lesson,
Mm-mm.
and that's many many lesson than in sorry than regular school.
Mm,
So the lesson is many than regular, right? So
yes.
how do you balance the lesson part of them?
Mm, maybe for me, yes.
Yeah,
Just what follow the what the step only.
step
y- yes,
can you
you you know you have the lesson from such as what hadith or the next physica, you must follow it, don't be comment. Maybe for me
ah
like that, just don't feeling this
oh
is so difficult.
uh, so you just follow it and don't think too much, just
Okay,
follow it
yes.
and don't feel that difficult, right?
Mm-mm, right.
Okay, the next question, the third question is, what was the biggest difficulty at the boarding school?
The biggest from uh, maybe if you for the first entering to boarding school, that is you feeling anxiety or very much to feeling for the first entering a boarding school, because we are the for the first feeling about studying at the boarding school. Maybe
Ah, I see, I see. Okay, let's move to the next question. And this is the last question.
okay.
Last but not least, is life at the boarding school very influential for your life now?
uh for me, uh for graduated from boarding school, I'm feeling it about the effect from I studying at the boarding school, and I what to life now. I'm feeling about that the impact from for me from boarding school is so much, because from the attitude, from the what style, from the anything about Islamic and modern, like that.
Ah, I see, I see. So, the life when you was in boarding school so impactful for your life now, right?
uh for me, uh for graduated from boarding school, I'm feeling it about the effect from I studying at the boarding school, and I what to life now. I'm feeling about that the impact from for me from boarding school is so much, because from the attitude, from the what style, from the anything about Islamic and modern, like that.
Ah, I see, I see. So, the life when you was in boarding school so impactful for your life now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, I think enough. I think that's it.
Mm-hmm.
The the our interview. So thank you very much for join my interview, Jiran.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay. Yo, see you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.